pull trigger here. We're here at South California. And it's raining for 4 days already. It never stopped raining. 4 straight days it was raining. Okay, we're here at the backyard of our house. It's raining. That's my car. And those are my bikes. It's weird. That's the cover for the car, but nobody's here. Yeah, well. This is my Yamaha R6. This is my Kawasaki 250R 2009. And this is my 2009 Kawasaki ZX 6R Monster Edition. And they're lonely and wet. I want it to be sunny again so I can ride you. Poor Kawasaki. I need to buy a new cover for you. I wish there's sun again so I could ride. Alright, you guys have a good day. I just show you my bike getting wet and lonely. Alright, bye. Have a good day.